condemnation without investigation. The height of ignorance, how tall is you? My mind is like I fathered you. I only call a few cause most of all talk and argue that they not, but all in view with the plot to raise funds for the block. And it sells, continuing to stack the black names on the shelves. From crack games in the shells, walking mazes to jail, hunchbacks for the bills. And it's real, born to fall in airplanes for the fail. It's obvious that we fail and crash landed in jail, going first for the kill. And I address it and seal all the messages real, trying to lecture to still alive con, trying to escape the prison in mind designed to line the time of the common deny. My native land is playing, you see what's at hand, so I grab attention and leave them missing. Did I mention the mission is listed as Richard Rich? Hip-hop was in an apocalypse, and I'm the new sun, dragging the planet till the new come back. The Vortex, central magnetic axis to access your mind, the passage, wait for peace of mind. Oasis, the faces you see in basements, his story in the basics of life, they trying to blemish, face it. Basically, I'm trying to erase the vacant occupants that make sense. You understand me, Stanley? It kiss couldn't hide faces of riches, which is the heads on the beast, the vicious. I'm about to blow like he Bliss did when he separated my flow from the moon. Immune to sickness, immune to the wicked, which is the broom. I'll sweep these fools, 4-year-old virgins. Fuck rap, the sex is boring. The competition rips stitches and comprehension. Executives is excessive with still in pension. Investing checks in the chest creates a mess then. Those obsessive, less blessed, not best dressed. That's just Rothschilds and Morgans, more than informants needed to conform him. The physical Osiris, the most highness, honest to your eyelids. I'm just trying to connect the middle of your mind pit. TN couldn't see lyrics I spit. Hieroglyphics, physics, split image of the spinach for your pop eyes, dot eyes in my sentence. Never mistaken for L's, I'm winning. Y'all losers, y'all tripping like untied shoes is. Thinking we tied up, get your mind fucked like Sapios and AC stoves. That's good blow for your nose. I spit pure freebasing, that's a lot of weight. Be patient, anxious, ancient in the matrix. Ain't shit changed but overpaid faces. Fate sits in the midst of your statements. I own the pyramid, I see all the mirror lids.